and welcome to Rose's English Podcast, your engaging and effective resource for learning English through podcast-style videos, real-life conversations, and practical exercises. If you are new here, my name is Rose, an English teacher and dedicated podcaster. Please subscribe and enable notifications to receive updates on our latest episodes. I am happy to talk with you today about life slows down, think differently, and to love more. This topic is close to my heart. It helps us relax, learn from our feelings, and build better love. Today, I will share stories and simple ideas about why slow is good in life and love. We will talk about fears, past times, and how to feel calm. Let us begin. Hi there, my friend. Imagine we are sitting together in a quiet park with birds singing and a soft wind. No rush, just us talking. Today, I want to share something special with you. Life can feel fast, like a busy road with cars going everywhere. But what if we slow down? What if we think in a new way and love with more care? This can heal our hearts and make us happy. Let me tell you why, step by step, with easy words and stories. First, think about love. You meet someone nice. Your heart beats fast. You want to see them every day, hold hands right away, and say I love you soon. But wait, is that always good? Sometimes, slow is better. Why? Because love is big and scary too. It can make us feel open, like a door with no lock. If things go wrong, it hurts a lot. So we need time to feel safe. Let me tell you a story. There was a girl named Anna. She grew up in a home where love was not steady. Her mom was often away, and her dad shouted a lot. Anna learned to play alone and not ask for much. She felt okay with little love. Then, as a big girl, she met Tom. Tom was kind. He gave her flowers on the first day, called her every hour, and said sweet words fast. Anna felt happy at first, but then scared. It was too much, like eating a big cake all at once. Her stomach hurt. She pushed Tom away. She said he was too soft. But really she was afraid to lose it all again. Do you know this feeling? Maybe from your own life. Many of us have past stories like Anna. Our early days teach us about love. If it was hard, we fear good love now. We run from it. So, to love more, we must go slow. Give small bits, like drops of water, not a big wave. This way, we can learn to take it in. Now, think about the other side. Some people move fast in love. They give a lot quickly. Why? Often, they are scared too. Let me share another story. Ben was a boy who lost his family love early. His parents fought and left. He felt not good enough. As a man, he met Lisa. On the second day, he took her to a big city for fun. He gave her names like My Sweet after 1 week. But inside, Ben was running from fear. He thought, if I give more, she will stay. If I wait, she will go. But Lisa felt pushed. She needed time to know him. Ben's fast love was not real calm love. It was worry in a nice box. See, both sides have fears. Slow helps us think differently. We say, I like you, but let's learn more. No rush to know all now. Time is our friend. It lets us see true feelings. Let me ask you, have you ever rushed something and it broke? Like baking a cake too hot and it falls? Love is like that. Slow heat makes it strong. In life, when we slow down, we see more. We hear our own thoughts. We feel calm. Another story for you. My friend Sarah was always busy. Work, friends, fast dates, she never stopped. One day, she got sick and had to rest. In bed, she thought about her life. "Why do I run?" she asked. She remembered her childhood. Her family moved a lot, no steady home, so she learned to grab things fast. But now, slow time healed her. She started to walk in nature, read books, and meet people one by one. In love, she waited. She met John. They talked for weeks before a kiss. Now they are happy together. Slow made their love real. You see, slowing down changes how we think. We stop fearing loss. We trust ourselves. We say, "I am good. I can wait. If this love goes, another will come." This is strong thinking. It relieves stress. No more worry about what if. Just now, here. Calm. Let us talk more about how to do this. First, in love, wait to meet again. Not tomorrow, maybe next week. This gives time to think. Do I really like them? Second, hold hands after some talks. Feel if it is right. Third, do not say love too soon. Wait for the right season, like waiting for fruit to grow. In life, slow down too. Walk instead of run. Eat slow. Taste food. Talk with friends. Listen well. Think before you act. This makes you heal. Stress goes away. You love yourself more. Then, love others better. One more story to keep you with me. Think of a river. Fast water hits rocks, makes noise. Slow water flows smooth, deep. Our life can be that slow river. Deep love, deep thoughts. I remember my own time. I rushed in love once. It hurt. Now, I go slow. I feel peace. You can too. Why is this good for English? We use simple words. Love, slow, fear, story. Repeat them to learn. Say with me, slow down in love. Good. Now, think differently. Yes, this heals your mind while you learn. Let me share tips. If you feel fast heart in love, breathe deep. Ask, what from my past? Talk to the person. I need time. They will understand, if good. If not, better to know early. In the end, slow life means more love, more real, less fear. We grow calm, like a big tree, roots deep, not blown by wind. I hope this talk helps you. Feel relaxed? Think new? Tell me in your mind, "Yes, Rose, thank you." Thank you for joining us on Rose's English podcast. We hope this episode has provided valuable insights. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe if you have not already, and share your thoughts in the comments to help us reach more learners. Happy goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.